Hi, this is for you that has loved one outside the country. In order to know the time zone of your loved ones, this unlimited guide is for you. To achieve this, it is simple and easy to understand just with a step. So subscribe and click on the bell icon. There are two types of Dura time, the widget and the lock screen. The first one, how to set up the widget double time. Click on the application. Click on the word icon. Select the country or city you like. Click on the back navigation on the screen. To bring out the selection board, click on the widget. Slide till you find or reach clock. Click on it. Now click on digital clock. Make sure that where you are going to place it has space. Now click on it and it's done. Second one, how to set up lock screen double time. Find your phone settings page. Lie down till you find system. Click on it. Now click on date and time. Click on lock screen draw clock. Turn it on. Now turn off the automatic time zone to make it effective. Click on choose time zone. Choose the time zone you want. Now turn off the screen, turn it on again, and it's done. If you feel or like this video, don't think twice. Like, subscribe, click on the bell icon.